Okay, I'm going to see if I can redo this experiment. I started out using some small nails, but they didn't work very well. I went to my big nails, but they were galvanized, and I found they didn't work very well either. I think the galvanization on them had something to do with it. So I've settled on this guy, one of the 8-penny common nails. The original video, let me move those. The original video showed them magnetizing the nail by rubbing a magnet back and forth on it, but that I couldn't get that to work. So came up with doing electromagnets here, as you can see. The first time I did this, I did 2 electromagnets just like this, but that ended up putting like the North Pole on the top of the magnet and on both of them, and the experiment didn't work. So when I redid it, I've got one with the North Pole on the head of the nail, the other one's got the North Pole on the spike of the nail over here, and put these on a battery. Got a good charge going on them, so that when these come out, well, gotta keep my nails straight. That one came out of the that other one. So now I've got the North Pole on one head and the South Pole on the other, so there's some attraction between them. You can really feel it when you put them together. So I've got the poles going the right directions. Now I'm going to put the nails into the candles. Alright, so we have the nails and the candles, like we had on the video. We have alligator clips here and alligator clips here. For this one, I have a light bulb with wires on it. I had to get a light bulb too that would work with this amount of low voltage. Now I'm going to hook the whole thing up. So let me get that set up here, coming together. That's looking good. And then you take the yellow one, do the same thing here. And bring it all together. Okay, now we'll see if we can get this to show in these lighting conditions. I'm going to light this one first. Alright, that candle's going nice and strong. Now I'm going to light the other candle, and as it picks up, and complete. And there goes the light bulb. Now I have no idea how or does it or why, but it's working. And then pretty amazing. Alright, there we go. Now to see how that really happens, so this red wire comes over here to a lantern battery, and which then runs down through my handy switch over through this yellow wire back to my light, and this guy is attached to nothing. That's attached to nothing. So that's my trickery Don't know how they did it on the other video.